Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain regex in SQL. Okay, so type of regex expression in SQL Server: alphabetic, numerical, case sensitive, special character, and regex to exclude character. So first, why do we use regex in SQL? So we do use regex in SQL to filter out data based on some specific pattern. Okay, so let's see some of the wildcards available in SQL regex. uh, this is the question mark matches any single character, has to match any single digit. This exclamation to character not inside one, to look into one or more match we can use asterisk, and for set of character we can use this bracket. So mostly I am going to focus on practical part, so understanding will be more clear than theoretical. So let's start with the question. First we will work on start with pattern, then end with pattern. Okay, so this I am going to use dim customer table, and my question is to find a result where name start with either J or M. Okay, so I can achieve in this way J and M. So SQL Server will look any of these two value, like if any of the name start with either J or M, it will return the result. Let's execute. Now we can see we have only result where first name start with either J or M. So if I add here L, then it will look for either J, M or L, anything, like any one of the character among these three. Let's see. So we can see J, now L also, and M also. So this is the first example. Now I have another example. I want to see the result where first name start with JO. Okay, so we can see we have the only name where first name start with JO, and this thing I can achieve in another way also. If I keep J, means SQL Server will look for first character which should be J only. Then if I give O, then it will look for the second character which should be O only. So this result and previous result will be same. Now we can see it is giving the only result where it start with JO. Okay, now second is I want to see character start with ALL. This is same example. um, I want to see the result where name start with J, O and N. Okay, let's see the result. So we have the only result where first name start with JON. We can see the result, and same thing I can achieve in another way. John. So we can see, so it is looking for the value where first name start with JON. Now another thing will look into the character between this to this. Okay, let's see. Now I want to look into the value. I want to get the result where first name start between J to L, JKL. Okay, so instead of giving one by one character, I can give this range. So it will look for the value, it will look for the first name where first name start between JL, between J and L, means the first letter should be between J and L, either J, K or L. So we can see I have only J, L L, J, K is also there. So we in the result we have only uh, value where first name start with J or K or L. So this is the range. So we can give any range, like we can give range A to C. Now we will get the result where the first name will start with either A, B or C. So we can see we have C, B, E. We cannot have any other character uh, apart from A, B, C. So in the result I am not seeing any of the value where first name start with except A, B or C. So in the next example we will see where first character start between one letter to another letter and with and second letter should be in some another range also. Let's see. So here we have seen like first letter should be between A to C. Now second letter should be between anything like O should be like M to N. Let's see, M to N. So in this example I am going to see the value like first name should be like first name should start between A to C and the second letter of first name should be between M to N. Let's see whether we have any value. Yeah, we have. So first letter A and second letter is M. So this is correct. First letter is A, second letter is N. This is correct. Similarly, we can see another also. First letter is A, second letter is N. So in this result we are seeing the first record is Amanda, but when I change this one, now I want first letter between A to C, second letter between M to N, and third letter should be between D to E. Okay, D to E. So in this first row we can see the third letter is A, first letter is A, so it is falling between this. Second is M, this is also falling between this, but the third letter is A, so this third letter is not falling between this. So when I execute this query I should not get this result and this result also. Okay, let me give this G, but I should get this result because A is falling in this range, N is falling in this range, and G is also falling in this range. So I should not get this 2 record, but I should get this record. Let's execute this. Yes, I have Angela, and now I don't have that first 2 result. So in the next video I will explain regex end with. Thank you.